In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 2891, method chaining. This is also number 15, the Introduction to Pandas series, the last question within it. I've covered the other 14 on my YouTube channel, so feel free to go there and check it out if you want to see the rest. Now, in this question, it's asking us to write a solution to list the names of animals that weigh strictly more than 100 kilograms. Return the animals sorted by weight in descending order. The result format is in the following example. You can see here it's asking us to pass through this data frame, and it just wants this data frame here where it's sorting it by weight, but only returning name. Now here's a little bit more of an explanation, and we're going to do it here in just one line of code. All we have to do for this question is we can come down and we could do return animals, and we're going to re-index for animals. We're going to quote weight, and here we're going to make it greater than 100. Now that we have that condition done, we could sort our values as it's asking us to do it by quote weight, and we'll set ascending equal to false. Lastly, we'll double quote for names. We can index just the name, and we could run that. Now you can see our answer is accepted, and it's now just returning us the name after sorting the weights greater than 100 by greatest to least. We could submit, and you can see after submitting our last question, we get our badge, and we could also see here that this beats 84% in terms of runtime and 8% in terms of memory. Now that's how you can do LeetCode 2891 method chaining. I hope you guys have enjoyed the walkthrough of the Pandas series, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I hope that helps.